So you've heard of generative AI, right? With a simple prompt, it can write an email, summarize a document, or even create an image. But what happens when AI can act more autonomously? Not just respond, but pursue goals and make decisions. Well, that is when AI becomes agentic. And to start off, not all AI today is agentic. In fact, most of it isn't. Most AI today is used to automate tasks or generate content or accelerate workflows. It's valuable, but it's also limited. These systems operate on pre-programmed logic. They follow scripts. They perform well when things are predictable, but they struggle when the context changes or the situation is unclear. Agentic AI breaks this mold. Instead of relying on fixed rules, it uses reasoning to act more independently, adapt to changing circumstances, and pursue goals with limited input. It doesn't just wait to be triggered. It can proactively identify problems on its own and take initiative to solve them. So, what does it take for a system to truly be considered agentic AI? Well, there are 4 core traits: goal orientation, the ability to take autonomous action, contextual awareness, and adaptive reasoning. In short, agentic AI isn't just AI that's fast and scalable, it's strategic. It brings reasoning, flexibility, and action into play. If you think generative AI is smart, just wait until you meet agentic AI. Here's the difference. Generative AI creates. It generates. It's right in the name. It can write an email or draft a chat response, but it always needs someone to prompt it, and it's reactive. Agentic AI doesn't just wait for instructions. It's not just proactive. It's much more autonomous. It can recognize when something needs to be done, set its own goals, monitor what's happening, and take independent action to deliver outcomes. Let me give you a couple examples. Like, picture a customer who gets stuck on your website. Generative AI might be the perfect thing to help a human agent create the great chat response, but agentic AI could notice the problem, set a goal to solve it, launch the right workflow, and resolve the issue before the customer even reaches out with a problem. One of these types of AI is a smart assistant. The other is a fully trained agent, capable of making decisions and driving outcomes on its own. Forget AI that just understands your customers. Agentic AI understands and takes care of them too. Today's customers expect fast, personalized, seamless service. They want to feel known, understood, and taken care of. And agentic AI will help businesses do that by acting on its own initiative and working across systems and working across teams to resolve issues from beginning to end. Imagine a customer who's reporting a delayed delivery. Instead of simply logging the complaint, an agentic AI agent could automatically check the shipment status, contact a logistics partner, and proactively update the customer of the solution. Or maybe in a financial services context, agentic AI, when it recognizes signs of fraud, it could freeze the account in question, coordinate with both security and customer care, and do all of that before the customer even picks up the phone. Agentic AI isn't about replacing people, it's about extending intelligence, initiative, and empathy at scale. So customers feel supported and employees are freed up to focus on customer interactions that truly need a human touch. So you might be wondering, if we give AI the ability to act, how do we keep it in check? Well, that's why we need to ensure it acts responsibly, and that's where guardrails come in. Agentic AI unlocks incredible potential, but it has to be built in the right way. That starts with strong security, which has to be built from the ground up. You also need visibility into how decisions are made and where data comes from. Privacy controls and clear data governance aren't optional, they're requirements. And the systems behind all of this need to be resilient because even small outages can have big impacts. And most importantly, this responsibility doesn't just rest with one team. Legal, compliance, operations, everyone needs a seat at the table. Because responsible AI isn't just about what AI can do, it's about what we allow it to do and how we keep it accountable. So are you ready to build your own AI that can think, act, and improve your customer experience? With Genesys Cloud AI Studio and AI Guides, you can create agentic virtual agents that take real action across the customer journey. You set the goals, define the data flows, add guardrails, and connect AI to the systems it needs to act on. That's not just AI that understands, that's AI that gets things done. So if you're ready to take the next step into agentic AI, be sure to subscribe to the Genesys YouTube channel. Let's build the future of customer experience together.